Living in a tiny house doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or functionality. With creativity and proper planning, every inch of space can be utilized to the maximum. Don't let space limitations prevent you from having a neat and organized home. In this video, we'll share 10 innovative storage ideas that can help you keep your space functional, tidy, and free of clutter. Come on, take a look and find a suitable storage solution for your small house. Choose furniture with hidden storage to maximize space in your home. For example, a bed with drawers underneath that can store important items, or an ottoman that not only functions as a seat, but also as a practical storage box. In addition, a coffee table with hidden compartments can also be a smart choice for storing small items that are frequently used, without sacrificing the aesthetics of the space. By choosing multifunctional furniture like this, you can create a neater, more organized, and efficient space. Increase space efficiency in your home by utilizing vertical space. One of the best ways to organize your things is to install shelves on the wall. Wall shelves not only help to store items neatly, but also free up floor space, giving the room a more spacious and open feel. You can store books, decorations, or other items easily, without sacrificing movement area. It's the perfect solution for homes with limited space, where every inch counts. With wall shelves, you not only save space, but also create a more organized and stylish look. Turn the empty space under your stairs into a functional and attractive area. With a little creativity, you can turn it into a storage cabinet, bookshelf, or even a compact workspace. This often forgotten space can be a smart solution for storing seasonal items, shoes, or other household items. Imagine how practical it would be to have a neat and organized extra space without sacrificing aesthetics. Take advantage of every inch of space in your home to create a more organized and functional atmosphere. Imagine having furniture that is not only beautiful, but also practical. By installing folding furniture, you can create a more spacious and tidy space. When not in use, this furniture can be folded and stored, giving you more space to move and do activities. However, when needed, it is ready to be used with full functionality, whether it's a dining table, extra bed, or extra chair. No more worrying about space limitations. With folding furniture, you maximize every inch of space without sacrificing comfort. It is the perfect solution for a dynamic modern lifestyle. Imagine your kitchen, workspace, or garage perfectly organized. All frequently used tools and equipment, such as knives, pans, or even office supplies, are neatly mounted on the wall, ready to be used at any time. Use magnetic strips to attach metal tools like knives and scissors, or install pegboard to hang pots, pans, or even a toolbox. Not only does it save space, but it also makes your favorite items easier to reach. This way, you will experience comfort and efficiency every step of the way, without the hassle of searching for lost tools. The space in your house feel cramped because of unused items? Try installing overhead cabinets or shelves in areas like the kitchen or bedroom. This way, you can store items that are rarely used, such as suitcases or extra linen, without sacrificing available space. Overhead cabinets are not only a practical solution, they can also give your room a modern touch. Imagine the space underneath, which was previously crowded, is now more spacious and organized. No need to worry anymore about scattered items, and the house feels tidier and more comfortable. Start organizing your space smartly, because an organized space makes life feel more spacious. Imagine a small house full of surprises around every corner. Behind ordinary-looking floors hide unexpected clever storage spaces. Some small houses, with innovative designs, utilize trapdoors or floor compartments to store larger items, such as gardening tools or unused seasonal clothing. It's not just empty space, it's a hidden storage solution that changes the way we utilize every inch of space. With a few creative design touches, a small home can feel spacious and organized, allowing owners to enjoy comfort without sacrificing functionality. A small house is not just about size, but how we maximize every space for daily living comfort. By using a slim trolley or stroller that can slide between tight gaps, such as between kitchen appliances or furniture, you can turn limited space into efficient storage. This trolley is very suitable for storing various items such as groceries, toiletries, or handicraft supplies. The compact design allows you to maximize and use space, keeping things neat and easy to reach. So, if you want to optimize every inch of space in your home, this sleek trolley is a smart solution that is not only practical, but also beautifies your space. Increase space efficiency in your home with smart storage solutions. Install hooks on walls, doors, or the inside of cupboards to hang jackets, bags, or kitchen utensils. No need to worry anymore about narrow space. You can also use door organizers to store shoes, cleaning supplies, or toiletries. This way, important items stay organized, easy to reach, and the space in your home feels more spacious and tidy. Save time, save space, and enjoy practicality every day. Spaces that feel more spacious and organized without sacrificing style or comfort. Custom-designed storage solutions, such as built-in cupboards or integrated bookshelves, make perfect use of every corner of the room. Not only does it provide extra space to store items, but it also creates a neat and organized impression. Each element is designed with attention to detail, ensuring a harmonious design throughout the space. With these smart touches, you can enjoy a space that is both functional and aesthetic, making it more comfortable and inspiring every day. Thank you for watching. With these creative ideas, your tiny house can function optimally while remaining stylish, making small living much easier. So, which storage idea will you implement first? Don't forget to comment below and share this video with friends who are also looking for solutions for small homes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting tips. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.